Hello everyone, in today's video analysis we'll talk about the euro versus the US dollar, and I will show you why the bias remains bullish in the short term. Please read the risk disclaimer before we'll talk about this major currency pair, and don't forget that you can join our VIP Telegram group by accessing the link posted right below this video. Thank you. Okay, and let's take a look here on the 4-hour chart of the euro versus the US dollar. The price has increased in the short term as much as 1.2079. It has reached the weekly R2 resistance, where it has found resistance 1.2073. So this one here is seen and represents an important static resistance in the short term, and only a valid breakout above it could indicate a further increase towards this one, towards the downtrend line. Okay, and a valid breakout above the R2, a new higher high, will signal that euro versus US dollar will continue to increase in the short term towards new upside targets and obstacles. And as you can see here, we have a downtrend line, which is seen as the next upside target and upside obstacle. Downtrend line. The pair increases aggressively right now. It rallies, edges higher, only because the DXY, the US dollar index, continues to drop. As I've told you in my previous live webinars or analyses, the DXY could register a temporary rebound, and if it will continue to drop in the short term, then the US dollar should depreciate further, should decline versus the other major currencies. So if the index will continue to drop, if it will register a valid breakdown here below 150% Fibonacci line, if it will drop and close right below this former low, below 90.85, then it should extend its decline, and this scenario will signal that the US dollar will continue to depreciate versus the euro. Okay, and I will show you here why the euro is strongly bullish in the short term. And as you can see, the eurozone flash services PMI has increased unexpectedly higher to 50.3 points, far above 49.1 expected, and versus 49.6 in the previous reading period. Also, the eurozone flash manufacturing PMI has increased further from 62.5 to 63.3, beating the 62.0 expectations. So the services sector, it has jumped into the expansion territory. So that's why the euro is strongly bullish today in the short term. Also, the German flash manufacturing PMI dropped only to 66.4, even if the specialists have expected a drop to 65.8. Very important. Unfortunately, the German flash services PMI has decreased more than expected to 50.1. French flash services PMI has jumped into the expansion territory, registering an increase, an important increase, even if the specialists have expected a drop here. So all these data from the eurozone could help the euro to increase in the short term versus the other currencies. Okay, and It remains to see what will happen right after the US will publish its flash manufacturing PMI, which is expected to increase. Also, the flash services PMI, which is expected to increase as well. Also, the new home sales. And if the US data will disappoint later today, then the DXY should drop aggressively in the short term. We would extend its sell-off. So this scenario will push the euro versus the US dollar much higher in the short term. So if the US data will disappoint later, then the pair could extend its growth. And a new higher high here, a valid breakout above R2 would also bring us a long opportunity after this temporary consolidation, accumulation, and higher high here could signal a further increase. And better than expected US data could only bring maybe a new temporary decline here within this minor range. And I don't believe that some good data today could change the sentiment. And only euro versus US dollar could drop and could register an important and a strong drop only if the DXY US dollar index will jump higher, will start increasing, will develop a new leg higher, and if the euro versus US dollar will register valid breakdown here from this minor range. If it will make a new lower low, then you'd expect the pair to drop. So here we have these two scenarios. An upside breakout here will signal that the pair will continue to increase in the upcoming period, and we may have also an upside breakout here above this downtrend line, or if the price will stay within this range and if it will make a valid breakdown here, then it could drop in the short term. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget that you can visit our website, Learn to Trade. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can comment, you can share our videos, and if you will subscribe here, then you will be notified and you will receive a notification every time we'll go live, every time we'll upload a new video tutorial or market analysis. So, and here you can join our VIP Telegram group for services, Learn to Trade Go Premium. Thank you guys. Bye bye.